MOD, stock analysis, tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Modine Manufacturing company stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end to find out. Sitting at $117, 20% gains today. Just south of 20%, you know, like looking at it, we are in a very good consistent bullish trend. So that's what I like to just always look at when it comes down to like the broader picture. In the macro perspective here, I like the bullishness. Now it doesn't end there. Like I'm gonna be here and try and double down on this bullishness, but the only case in which I do that is going to be if the price really just pulls back into my demand zone and gives me the rules. Anything else, do you know what it is? It's just a pure pure distraction, you know. Like I'm just gonna stick to other thicker symbols and not try and force move here whatsoever over trading. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.